Ha! Hi, we're live. Welcome back, all my friends out there in Facebook land and YouTube lands. Welcome back to Mike's Magic Auto Detailing and Paint Correction here in, right now, sunny Sharpsburg, Georgia. How you doing, friends? How you doing? There you go. Y'all want it. There it is. Say it won't stick, which is not a big surprise. Not a big surprise. At any rate, we have finished. Totally finished this '05 Mustang, which if you saw the previous videos, it was really hammered. Oh, it was terrible. So we strip washed it, deconned it, clay barred it, all that. Wet sanded the entire vehicle except for the glass, of course. Oh me. Restored the headlights, tail lights, and those fog lights or whatever they are. All the trim, everything, the wheels, all that black trim down there, the stripes, everything. Those louvers back there, those rear window louvers, all the plastic trim. All around was all done. The vent cowl was restored. I also redid his wiper blade arms. How about that, huh? Yeah. Those louvers came out looking pretty nice. Got the optimum tire coating on the tires, which looks really good. Got all that stuff down in there. All that stuff. Ceramic coated the headlights, the fog lights, tail lights. Ceramic coated those stripes right there in an attempt to kind of bring them back a little bit. See, they're pretty bad. None of that would clean up. It's all down into the vinyl. These are aftermarket, put on by the customer. Those side stripes, I'm not sure if they're OEM or if they were aftermarket. They were ceramic coated as well. Those little running boards, everything was restored. This go around I used Cerakote coat trim. Showed you guys that the other day. Just wanted to do a quick walk around review with you. Of course, all of the glass was deep cleaned, coated, yeah, inside and out. Oh boy, yeah, it was a heck of a journey. You could say I got the offending CB antenna back on there. Yeah, cleaned the inside up. Hot water and steam extracted. All the carpet, the seats and everything. All this was cleaned, steam cleaned. Everything was steam cleaned and cleaned with a good quality APC. Everything. All the little nooks and crannies. All the cracks. Oh, that damn air compressor. I always forget it. Deep cleaned the leather steering wheel, which has a good bit of damage. You might expect that on an '05, but we spiffed that back up. Everything was treated with 303 aerospace protectant. The carpet, the seats were treated with 303 fabric protectant. Of course, I pulled out the floor mats and deep cleaned and stained the carpet and all that stuff. Just a quick review of the last of this project. They're coming to pick it up here in a couple hours. It'll be ready for them. Only thing I might do is go back, maybe wipe some dust off of it. It, accumulates dust a little bit. Child's play, make sure you use these nice plush microfiber towels. Oh boy, those came out nice. I like that. Anyway, quick preview of our next project. I forget what year it is. It's a really old Hyundai. It is hammered. I'll be back in a minute and we'll do a preview of that car and what's wrong with it and what I plan to do with it. So thank you everybody. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you got questions, look at this glass. It's like a mirror, folks. What a mirror. And I know I'm looking terrible, but I've been hot and sweaty all day long for the last couple of days. But I'm working on that. Got my comfy shirt on because it's going to be hot out there again working on that other car. But there it goes. There it is. Glass just really, this older glass just don't really get much better than that. It just don't. It just don't. But you know, if you're on Facebook or YouTube, go down there and leave me a comment. Tell me where you're watching from. I'm always curious about that. I love knowing where people are at now and what they're doing while they're watching. Of course, if you're supposed to be working, don't say anything. Don't want to get yourself in trouble. But yeah, we got us a mirror here on the paint too, I think. Look at that, folks. Look at that, would you? You can clearly see the light, everything. Woo-wee. All those scratches are gone. Gone, gone, gone. But hey, give me a thumbs up, a thumbs down. It don't really matter. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button for me. And it will notify you of the next video. I'm about to do it in a few minutes on what the problem with that Hyundai out there is. And you'll be able to keep up with all of that. Thanks so much, everybody, for watching. Goodbye now.